and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rachel and today I am here with an amazing, delicious vegan one-pot pasta. Now you guys have been asking me about really easy recipes that maybe students can make with one pot, or maybe you can make after work after a long day. So I had to do a one-pot pasta recipe. I've never made one before, but I'm really curious about them. And if I'm gonna do one, I have to do an amazing one, a really tasty one. So I'm sharing with you a hearty, comforting, gooey, chili, cheesy one-pot pasta. And make sure that you are subscribed, hit that subscribe button so that you are here with me every week, because I have a new recipe, a new video every Sunday. And do give this video a thumbs up if you are here for the vegan comfort food galore. Just want to do a little bit of a sorry for any Italians out there. My apologies on the one-pot pasta. So for this recipe, we're using really simple ingredients that you can find in your supermarket. So we've got our pasta, of course. We've got tomato puree, which is gonna help thicken it up and give it some good flavor. Then I've got black beans, cooked green lentils, and kidney beans. Those are kind of essentials for a chili for me, and also it's gonna give us a good amount of protein. Then I've got my organic chopped tomatoes. I've got my garlic, my onion, and my red peppers. And then for like a cheesiness, we're gonna be adding some nutritional yeast, of course, and I also got some vegan cheese. Now I got two flavors. One would say maybe I was being extra, but I just wanted more flavor and more gooiness, and you know, let's see how it goes. And then I've got some maple syrup, which is gonna help sweeten it up just a tiny bit. And then for seasoning, we've got chili, cumin, and paprika. And finally, we're just gonna garnish with a little piece of coriander. Now, usually with pastas, I would garnish with basil and parsley, but since we're doing chili, coriander felt like a better fit on this occasion. So now I'm just gonna finely chop my red peppers, and I'm also gonna finely chop my onions. I bet I'm gonna start crying. Right, so everything is prepped. So now we're gonna start building our one pot. So I'm gonna start off by sauteing my onions and my peppers. So I just wanna get them nice and lightly cooked, get them nice and brown. I'm actually a little bit worried that this is not all gonna fit in my one pot, but hey. So then I'm gonna add all my seasoning, my chili, my cumin, my paprika, give it a good mix. At this point, I like to add some water just to help the seasoning infuse with the onions and the peppers. So now I'm gonna add my lentils, my kidney beans, and my black beans. So I completely forgot to add the garlic, so we're gonna add the garlic in now. I would normally add the garlic in before, but I completely forgot, but that's fine. Sometimes we forget these things. And already you can smell the amazing chili, and it smells so good. So now I'm gonna add my liquid. So we're gonna add our tomatoes, and we're gonna add our vegetable stock. This is gonna be messy. The key to this, don't get it on the t-shirt. And then our vegetable stock. I mean, as it is, that chili is amazing. And then we're just gonna add in our pasta. Bit of the pasta out, because Rachel being Rachel, it would have overflown. It would have just swelled up. So I took a bit out, and I'm gonna add a bit more water just so that it covers the pasta completely. So finally, I'm just gonna add some pink salt just to bring it together, mix it up. So I think I might need to add more water, as this is my first time making one pot pasta, but we're gonna see how it goes. And to thicken it up, I'm gonna add some tomato puree, and then finally some maple syrup just to sweeten it up. So I'm just gonna let this cook, let the pasta absorb all the flavors and the juices and cook down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it, and it should be developing and becoming a really amazing one-pot pasta. What shall I do for 15 minutes? What shall I do? What shall I do? Marley? Hello. Look at you. Let me know in the comments if you want more recipes like this, which are quick and easy to make, especially kind of one-pot recipes. If you want more, I can do more. So let me know in the comments what you guys think and what you guys want to see. So it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my days, guys, it smells amazing. Oh, that is really good. That is really, really good. I'm not gonna finish there though, guys. We're now gonna add our vegan cheese on top, and we're gonna grill it and get that kind of gooey, cheesy topping like a pasta bake. I'm gonna add some nutritional yeast for that cheesiness. Give it a good mix in. Oh wow, this is insane. I'm just gonna grate on my vegan cheese. And then I had to do 2 colors, so this one is the cheddar flavor. So just put on the grill. All that sizzling, gooey vegan cheese on top. So finally, I'm just gonna add some black pepper and garnish with my little piece of coriander. And look at her. Look at this one pot vegan cheesy pasta. So lads, here it is. The finished cheesy, ooey gooey chili. Obviously comfort food. I had to get comfortable and just lean to the side. So I'm just gonna dig into this absolute bad boy. Mate, you can hear the... Could you hear that? Could you hear that? Comfort food, you have arrived. You have hit the nail on the head. Oh my days. Chili cheesy pasta, 1 pot, super easy, super simple, and really, really hearty and tasty. The chili is doing bits, guys. It's doing bits. You got that ooey, gooey, soft, smooth, but al dente pasta, al dente, always al dente. As you can see, I've made enough to feed 1 person. Me. But realistically, there is enough in here to feed at least 6 people. So bowl it up, dish it up, save it in the fridge to last you the rest of the week. You've got your protein sources in there, so you're sorted there. You've got that hearty pasta and that cheesy topping and that chili spice. It's just wonderful. It's wonderful. So I'm just gonna sit here chilling, eating this whole pot to myself. As I said before, I wish I could just share it with you guys, you know, give you a spoon through the camera. But unfortunately I can't. But I will list the recipe, so you can find this recipe, you can make it yourselves and enjoy it because it is so good. Please, please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this 1 pot recipe. And if you want more 1 pot recipes and simple recipes like this, please let me know in the comments. And if you do make this recipe, please let me know on Instagram, hit me up, share it with me, let me see what you've done with this amazing 1 pot pasta. I have a highlight on my Instagram where I like to share all you guys recreations. I love that stuff. I love seeing us in the vegan world sharing these amazing recipes together. So please, please do that. And subscribe to my channel because I will have new videos every Sunday, new recipes, more content to share with you guys. So make sure you are subscribed. And I'll see you all next week. That was weird. I'll see you all next week. So there's one thing missing, guys. I left something out. Yeah, I'm back. Guacamole, avocado. How did I not, what was wrong with me? This just needs, I think, it's perfect. Don't get me wrong, it's perfect. But all it needs is some guacamole or avocado just to cool it down a little bit. And who doesn't love adding avocado to everything? So if you do make this, add some avocado. I'm your mom.